name is Rebecca Reed, and I am the Director of Research Programs for the new North Carolina Center for Health and Wellness at the University of North Carolina in Asheville. I'm here at the mid-year meeting in Nashville of SOFI, in part because I'm now on the board as the trustee for the 2013 meeting, our first spring meeting in I think 30 or more years, that will be held next year. And I had hoped it would be the first meeting that we would be doing jointly after the modified merger with AHI, but it seems like we'll get another chance to practice that. I'm really excited about both the meeting here, the meeting next year, and partnering with AHI because I began life as a health and physical education teacher in Baltimore, Maryland, and then was a member of AHI and National AFRD. I think from that time on, being a part of a professional membership organization has benefited me in many ways, not the least of which is keeping up with literature and research in various areas, but also the professional networking and the friendships that have lasted more than 20 years now here in SOFI. And I think I can honestly say that for the past 25 years, every job I've ever gotten has come in part through networking or having support and recommendations from folks that I've met at professional meetings. So that's one of the key things to me for continuing and to provide that support for the next generation of health educators coming up. And that's another reason I'm really excited about the merger with AHI. I'm now back in an academic institution, and while I don't teach, I do a lot of applied research and internships with students from across disciplines at UNC Asheville and in the community. And I think the power of working together in a professional organization will really translate well into the power of collaboration and collaborative impact at the community level, at community policy level, state policy level, and even as we continue on with Health Advocacy Summit and do advocacy at the federal level. So I'm really excited about people working together sooner, about our disciplines being more intertwined with school health and public health and community health, and I think it's just a great opportunity for all.